my dear students, a very good morning. I hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. Yes, I am also fine. Have you all enjoyed our previous class, isn't it? Once again, I welcome you, Sheba Group of Schools online class. Okay, students, let's move to our lesson. In science, lesson number 2, matter and materials. And our book page number is 95. What is our lesson name, ma? Matter and materials. Matter means what? Is everything around us or anything around us. It is called matter. Matter means பொருட்கள். Okay va? And material. Material means what? பொருட்கள். Okay va? Or things. Okay, next one is, first we move to matters. Matter means what, ma? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Before we going to material, first you should know about the matter. Matter means what? It occupies space and also has mass. Mass means நிறை. எந்த ஒரு மேட்டருக்குமே என்ன இருக்கும்? நிறை and occupies space also. It is called a matter. Matter means what? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Next we move on to materials. Materials na enna? Things, பொருள். Okay. Everything in the universe is made up of matter. I already told you everything in the universe is called matter, isn't it? We need to explore different materials to make sense of our world. The world different kind of materials explore பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அதாவது ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. The matter from which a thing is made of is called material. அந்த மேட்டர்லேருந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கிற உருவாக்குற பொருட்களை தான் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க? மெட்டீரியல். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், டேபிள் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் wood, isn't it? டேபிளை வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? இன் திஸ் சென்டென்ஸ், எஸ் wood is a matter and table is a material. மேட்டர் வுட்டுன்ற ஒரு மேட்டர்லேருந்து என்ன டேபிள்ன்ற ஒரு மெட்டீரியலை உருவாக்குறாங்க. அந்த அனதர் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ், eraser is made up of rubber. Okay va? In this, rubber is a matter and eraser is a material. Is it clear, ma? My materials means what? The matter from which a thing is made of is called material. Is it? Now I am going to show our book exercise. Try this answer. Look at the picture and identify the materials by which they are made of. Okay va? It is very useful to identify the material. Okay ma? Here some clues are there. What are the clues, ma? Paper, clay, glass, wood, plastic, metal, rubber, wax. Now you can find out what kind of material in this. Okay, first one is what? It is number of pipes are there. It is made up of what, ma? It is made up of plastic. Yes, you guess it well. Next one is what? Wire bag. It is, everyone use it at home, isn't it? It is a wire bag. It is made up of what? It is also made up of plastic. And next one is brick. Brick means what, ma? Sengal. It is made up of what? Yes, it is made up of clay. And the next one is glass bottle. It is also made up of what? Yes, it is made up of glass. And next one is wood toy train. It is called wood or clay, anything. It is made up of wood or clay. Okay ma? Next, stainless spoon. It is made up of, yes, metal. It is made up of metal. Next one is chair. It is made up of, yes, you guess it well. It is made up of wood. Next one is candle. What kind of material is candle? Everyone know that? You can know means okay, no problem. I will tell you. It is made up of wax. And next one is sandals. It is made up of rubber or either plastic also, isn't it? Next one is paper. Paper is made up of paper. It is a material of paper. Okay students, have you all understand these materials? Yes. Here I am going to show you another book exercise. It is match the objects that are made of same materials. Okay va? Here give us some columns A, B, C, and A having 3 types of materials and B also having 3 types of material and C also having 3 types of materials. You can find the same material and just match the materials, isn't it? The first one is what, ma? It is, yes, it is a chair. It is made up of what? Yes, it is a plastic chair. Okay, in B column, is any plastic item is there? Yes. In the third one, what is this, ma'am? Building blocks, multicolor of building blocks. It is made up of plastic. And the C column, the second one is what? Toy train, plastic toy car. It is made up of what? Plastic. Okay, just you can draw a line and match the same material, isn't it? Next one is, it is also chair, but it is made up of what? Yes, it is made up of wood. Okay, in the B column, the first box is what? It is made up of box made up of wood. And also in the C column, some kitchen utensils, it is used to make dosa. It is also made of wood. You can just draw a line and match the same material. The third one is shoe. It is made up of what kind of material, ma? Everyone know that? Okay, it is what? It is leather. The shoe is made up of leather. And the B column is, second one is wallet. Your fathers use it, you know. It is called wallet or purse. Okay, in the C column, belt. It is also made up of leather. You can put the line correctly and join the same material. Have you all understand, ma? Next, we move on to properties of materials. Properties of material means what, ma? In every material have a special characters, that is called properties. That means பண்புகள். ஒவ்வொரு மெட்டீரியலுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு விதமான பண்புகள் இருக்கு. For example, as a human being you are all having a different kind of characters. You are a good boy, you are write well, you are good in studies, you are drawing well, isn't it? And then likewise the materials also having some kind of properties. Okay, we can measure, see or feel the material. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? மெட்டீரியலை நம்மளால் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? மெஷர் பண்ண முடியும், அளவிட முடியும், plus see, able to see and also feel the material. You can touch and feel the material. It is what kind of material? Different types of material have different properties that make them useful for various purposes. அந்த மாதிரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் இருக்கிற மெட்டீரியல்ஸை டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான பர்பஸஸ்க்கு என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். அது என்னென்ன டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான பர்பஸ் ப்ளஸ் என்னென்ன மெட்டீரியல்ஸ்ன்றதை நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்க்க போகிறோம். தே ஆர் கேன் பி வாட்? ஹார்ட் ஆர் சாஃப்ட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ், ஷைனி ஆர் டல் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ், rough or smooth materials, flexible or rigid materials, and last one is waterproof materials. Okay students? Okay, now we can see hard and soft materials. Hard means what, ma? Hard means ரொம்ப கடினமாக இருக்கும், கரடு முரடாக இருக்கும். And soft means மென்மையான materials. இதை பற்றியும் அதோட எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸை பற்றியும் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். Hard materials means what, ma? Material which cannot be easily compressed, cut, bent or scratched are called hard materials. For hard materials, for example, what is this? Brick, bone and steel. Okay, it is an example of hard materials. Everyone able to see this, ma? It is very hard material. And next one is soft materials. Material which can be easily compressed, cut, bent or stretched are called soft materials. அந்த மாதிரி ஈஸியாக நம்ம கம்ப்ரெஸ்னால் நம்ம சுருக்கிறது, ப்ளஸ் கட் மீன்ஸ் கட் பண்ணுறது, ப்ளஸ் பெண்ட்னா வளைக்கிறது, ஸ்க்ராட்ச் பண்ணுற ஐட்டம்ஸ்லாம் ஈஸியாக பண்ணுற ஐட்டம்ஸ் நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்கிறோம்? soft materials. Soft materials, for example, foam, clay and our skin. It is also called a soft material. Everyone touch your skin, it is very soft, you know. It is one of example of soft material. Have you all understand hard and soft material means? Hard means what, ma? Cannot easily compress, cut. And soft means easily compressed and cut. These are called hard and soft materials. Next we move on to shiny or dull material. Shiny means பளபளக்கும் தன்மை உடையது, plus dull means வாட்மா பளபளக்கும் தன்மை இல்லாததை dull material சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? Next shiny material. Shiny means what? Material which reflect the light as well are called shiny materials. For example, gold, diamond and stainless steel. These are called example of shiny material. The diamond is reflect the light well. இது மேலே லைட் பட்ட என்னமாகும்? ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகும். It is clear. Reflect means what? எதிரொலிக்கும். அந்த லைட்டை again இது எதிரொலிக்கும். It is called as shiny materials. ஓகேவா? Materials which cannot reflect the light as well, these are called dull materials. அந்த மாதிரி ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணாத ஐட்டம்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? dull materials. Dull materials for example candle, paper and jute bag. These are the examples of dull materials. Have you all understand? Shiny means reflect the light well and dull means do not reflect the light well. Is it clear ma? Next one is rough or smooth material. Rough means கரடு முரடான இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸ்மூத் மீன்ஸ் மென்மையான மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். ஓகேவா? இதை பற்றி நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, மெட்டீரியல் விச் ஹாவ் அப்ஸ் அண்ட் டவுன்ஸ் ஆன் தேர் சர்ஃபேஸ் ஆர் கால்ட் ரஃப் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். ஓகேவா? எந்தெந்த மெட்டீரியல்ஸில் அப்ஸ் அண்ட் டவுன் ஆன் தேர் சர்ஃபேஸ். சர்ஃபேஸ் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? அந்த மேற்பரப்பில் அப்ஸ் அண்ட் டவுன்ஸ் இருந்தால் தீஸ் ஆர் கால் ரஃப் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். ஃபார் ரஃப் மெட்டீரியல் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் brick and bone and also the one of the example of tire. It is example of rough material. The other one is smooth materials. Material which do not have ups and downs on their surface are called smooth materials. அந்த மாதிரி ups and downsலாம் நம்ம ஸ்மூத்தாக இருக்கிற மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? smooth materials. For example mirror, silk cloth and tiles. ஓகேவா? இதெல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்குமா? ஸ்மூத்தாக இருக்கும். In your home is made up of tiles means you can feel it is very smooth, you know. Okay ma, everyone understand the rough and smooth? Rough means what? It is having ups and down on the surface are called rough, and don't have ups and down on the surface are called smooth materials. Everyone understand? Yes. Our next topic is flexible or rigid materials. Flexible means என்னம்மா? நீட்சித்தன்மை உடைய பொருட்கள் எல்லாம் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? flexible. and rigid கடினமாக உள்ளதெல்லாம் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? rigid materials. ஓகேவா? flexible means what? Material which can be easily bent or stretched are called flexible materials. அதாவது எந்த ஒரு மெட்டீரியலை ஈஸியாக நம்மளால் பெண்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேவா? பெண்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ப்ளஸ் என்ன? ஸ்ட்ரெச்டு மீன்ஸ் வாட்மா? இழுக்க முடியும் நம்மளால். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ரப்பர் பேண்ட். இட் இஸ் ஸ்ட்ரெச்டு வெல், isn't it? நம்மளால் எவ்வளோ இழுத்தாலும் அது என்ன பண்ணும்? ஃப்ளெக்சிபிளாக நம்ம கூடவே வரும். ஓகேவா? another example is electric wire. It is also very flexible, isn't it? Okay, next one is material which cannot be bent or stretched. These things are called what? Rigid materials. For example wooden scale. It is what? It is not stretched. இதை நம்மளால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? stretch பண்ண முடியாது or bend பண்ணவும் முடியாது. It is called what? rigid material. It is the example of rigid material. Flexible means what ma'am? It can be easily bent or stretched or called flexible, and rigid means it cannot be easily bent or stretched. These are called rigid materials. Next we move on to waterproof material. Waterproof material means what ma'am? Materials that do not allow water to pass through them. அது என்ன பண்ணும்? வாட்டரை அலோவ் பண்ணாமல் வச்சுருக்கோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் everyone able to see this? What is this? It is raincoat. Everyone used as in the rainy season. Is this clear ma? Okay, it is a best example of waterproof material. Waterproof material means what? It does not allow the water through pass them. Okay, is it clear ma? Okay students, now I am going to show book exercise, that is fill up. You can find out the answers. Okay ma? Materials which can be compressed or cut easily are called soft materials. Material which can be compressed or cut easily are called what materials? Soft materials. எந்த மெட்டீரியலை நம்மளால் ஈஸியாக compress means வாட்மா சுருக்க முடியும் ப்ளஸ் கட் பண்ண முடிகிற மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்கிறோம்? சாஃப்ட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். The second one is gold and diamond are the example of shiny material. கோல்டும் டைமண்டும் என்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ்மா? ஷைனி மெட்டீரியல். இட் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் த லைட் வெல், isn't it? It is called shiny material. Gold and diamond are the example of shiny materials. And the third one is materials which can be bent or stretched easily are called flexible materials. Material which can be bent or stretched easily are called flexible materials. அதாவது எந்த ஒரு மெட்டீரியல் ஈஸியாக பெண்ட் ஆகுமோ ஸ்ட்ரெச் ஆகுமோ அந்த மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? flexible materials. Okay students, have you all understood these points? But now once again I recall all the points. First, matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. And the next one is material. Material means nothing. The matter from which a thing is made of is called material. அந்த மேட்டர்லேருந்து உருவாக்குற அந்த பொருட்களை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? மெட்டீரியல் சொல்கிறோம். There are lot of materials, that is properties of materials. Okay, there are properties of material. What are the properties of material? Hard or soft material, shiny or dull material, rough or smooth material, flexible or rigid material, and waterproof materials. Okay students, I hope have you all enjoyed today class. I will see you in your next class. Take care. Bye ma.